Good morning, guys. I'm just gonna do a video today. It's gonna be a day in the life, and it's just gonna be little clips throughout the day of our day here on the farm. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and all right, guys, so our milkers are in there milking right now. I'm gonna bring in the first big group of cows and I'm gonna start scraping. My uncle's mixing, he's bringing in the cows from the pasture. So here we go. All right, guys, time to switch cows. Almost out of cows, and I just finished scraping the other side. It usually works out perfectly, so I'm gonna go get some more cows for the milking. All right, guys, I got this side all scraped out. I have to do the holding area and the return lanes. The spreader was full, so I just pushed it all out here. So I'm gonna push this all in the spreader, then we'll get cleaning those. All right, guys, got to clean in the barn, cleaning out here. It looks really nice. And yeah, spreader is about half full, so I'm gonna go take that load out and then yeah, see what else is in there. All right, guys, we got the bale grinding up. We're putting in some triticale that we chopped in with this. We don't have much corn silage left. We should be chopping that here really soon, so that'll be good because we need some. All right, guys, I got the giant bucket on the skid loader, and we're gonna clean this new shed. And yeah, then we're probably gonna feed them right after I get this cleaned. So yeah, here we go. All right, guys, I'm gonna be putting this stock bale in here for these guys after I cleaned it. and then we're gonna feed them. Alright guys, we got that pen cleaned up for them, and we're about to feed them with 2 skid loaders. So we'll take 4 scoops over, so Mark will take 2 and I'll take 2. So that's what's on the next part of the agenda. Alright guys, we got all the other ingredients, mixing of the minerals and all that stuff. And we're gonna put the haylage in now. Guys, it's grinding up behind me now. We're about to go feed the cows their next mix. We always feed them right away in the morning, then in the afternoon. We're feeding the cows now some nice fresh feed for the afternoon, so they're up here enjoying it, some of them anyway. Just absolute skill backing up feeding. No one else can do it better, I promise you. Alright guys, we just fed those cows, and my uncle's going to make the exact same mix for tomorrow morning, so that's the plan. That's what's happening. I'm not going to record any more mixing for today, I don't think. We got to fix one of our skid loaders. The hose is leaking, so I got to head to town and get the hose. So we fixed it once already, the other hose for it, so it shouldn't be too hard. So we'll get that on video later. And we'll see you guys here in the next clip. Hey guys, I'm heading over to the Bobcat dealership now. I'm picking up a hydraulic hose for the quick attach on the skid loader. After this, should be all good, hopefully. But we've already changed one of the quick attach ones, and now the other one went out, so this is gonna be it. So here we go. A lot of you guys have probably never seen an all pink silo before, and some of you guys who watch my videos might even know where that is. So let me know in the comments. All right, guys, here's the hose right here. Now it's time to head home and put this on the skid loader. Well, I was hoping to show you guys some cool bobcats, but this is pretty all they have here on the lot. So, a bunch of buckets, but a cool telehandler.
This is the right end.
Yep.
I want you to put a yellow around here, and how about, oh, maybe we should go. No, there's kind of more, it'd be better almost back here. It might get twisted though. Let's go here, or here inside these threads.
It might come off there though.
I know, there's nothing really good to grip onto. Up here is about the best option to where it couldn't slip off.
Yeah.
Don't make it too tight yet. And then we'll use the pink ones as the sides.
All right, so we zip tied this new hose to this one, and then we'll just pull it through the arm. We figured that's the easiest to get the new hose in there.
Not our first rodeo.
Yeah, this is our fourth hose that we had to replace on this one. All right, guys, you just witnessed a nice failure here. The zip ties did not hold, and then it was like a struggle to get it in there with all the other hoses. But we got it. You might see that time lapse, you might not. But now we just gotta tighten everything down, and then we're good to go. The skid loader will be back in business until another one goes out.
That's the way this one is. Sure there's enough play in there.
Alright, so I'm getting the super huts mixed up. We'll put 4 scoops of water in each bucket. Then we'll put 4 scoops of milk replacer. You're supposed to stir it? Yeah.
Alright, you talk.
Them Winslow muscles right there working.
This should get some more lady subscribers. Most people gotta pay to see this.
The Winslow guns. Oh yeah. Alright guys, we're going to be feeding these heifers now, and that's about almost going to be the end of it here, folks. So enjoy these last couple clips. You're too lazy to walk up just to take your boots back up to the barn. Why is my hat on sideways? Anyway, you just take the club car. It's just easier that way. Oh, Scarlett's gonna drive it. Can you reach the pedals? No, she's done driving. It's our favorite cow on the farm, guys, bluegill. She's a little wet from the sprinklers, but I'm sure it feels nice on her. It's hot out again.